Welcome to Moments with Mashai, where we do unboxing, handbag reviews, talk about beauty and lifestyle. And today we are in my collection and I am sharing with you 6 of my favorite handbags that are priced under $500. So if you're interested, please keep watching, but also click on like and subscribe because that helps us to grow our channel and you'll receive notifications as we post more content. Thank you. Okay, today we are sharing 6 of my favorite handbags that are in my collection that are priced under $600. So we're going to just jump right in. The first bag that I'm going to share with you all is the studio bag from Coach. I've had this bag probably for about 3 years and I absolutely love it. It's a quilted bag. It has a pocket. It's on the back here. You also have a pocket further back. You've got one in the front. It's an accordion style bag. You can carry quite a bit in this bag. I love it because you can wear it as a shoulder bag. You can also wear it as a crossbody bag. You can even take the strap off and wear it as a clutch. And I've done that a couple times and it looks really cute as a clutch. So this is a perfect bag to take with you if you're going on travel because you can wear it in so many ways. And that's one thing I really look for in a handbag, is one that you can wear multiple ways. That way you get your cost per wear, your money's worth out of it. But this is the studio from Coach. And guys, I'm referring to my notes because I got a lot of details here. This bag, when it was priced initially, was about $350. You can get it now as a pre-loved item for around $150. So it's some that are still out there. If you have an opportunity to get one of these, please add it to your collection. It also comes in a chalk color as well, but I think it's stunning in the black with the brass hardware. So that is the studio bag from Coach. The next on the list is no surprise to you all. If you've been watching me, you know I talk about this bag all the time. It is the Clementine by the Horse. It reminds me of the Loewe puzzle bag, really. But the thing that I really love about this bag is the pebbled leather. I also call it having a magical clasp, because whatever you have in this bag, you see I turned it upside down, your items are not going to fall out. This one also converts, and it's got a beautiful heavy strap to go along with this bag, and you can put a lot in it. Don't be fooled because she is small. From the outside, got a very generous back pocket and a front pocket, and you can also remove the strap from this bag. I bought this one for myself in September, and for Christmas I ended up buying one for my daughter. But I have worn this bag. The cost per wear, you guys, this bag initially was $208. The price on it has gone up to $239 now. But I would pay that easily for this bag because she is beautiful and gorgeous. And I do have an affiliate code that I will be sharing with you guys. I'll put that on the screen, the link to the website, as well as in the description. But this is the Clementine from the Horse, and like I said, she's worth the money, every penny. So that is my second bag. Now the third bag that I will be sharing with you, and so you guys have seen some of these bags in my favorite things, but you know, we're going to go through them again, and I've got a couple surprises in here too. This is the Britain by Tory Burch, and I've had her, I think, for about 4 years, maybe even longer than that, now that I'm really thinking about it. This bag, it tricks you. You look at it and you go, automatically, I'm going to crossbody it, right? You can do that. But then you can also take the strap, and this is the inside, and I'll show you guys. See, it's got the magnets here. It's got pretty substantial middle section. And she is wonderful on vacation as well. You can cross the strap, put it under the flap, and now you have a shoulder bag. And I've worn her this way quite a bit. You can also take the strap off and she converts to a very stylish clutch. So you can wear her in a number of ways. And that's what I always look for, you all, are bags that you can convert. You really get your money's wear out of them. And if you do go on vacation or a trip or something, you don't have to have, oh, I got a separate clutch. I want to be hands-free, so I have to have a separate crossbody. The bags that I'm showing you, most of them you can wear 2 to 3 ways. So this is the Britain by Tory Burch. She is also a pebbled leather, and that's my trend. Not that I'm rough on my bags, but I do want to make sure that I'm getting a bag that will stand up, that if I do scratch it or if it does get a scratch, it's not going to deface the bag and it's going to lose substantial value. So this is the Britain. Now, this one, you all have not seen. This is my baby. This is my baby. It is the Chelsea Hobo. It's by Coach. I've had this bag now about 10 years. And she's empty. She doesn't have anything in her. But this is my girl. I love this bag. I love her because I love, one, the color. It just all year round. You get black in the winter time. I wear a lot of black, you all, especially in the winter. And wearing this with a black outfit, she pops. And with silver jewelry, wearing her in the summer with whites and linens, it's just that warmer shade that really works. And with her, you have a pocket on the back. You have a generous compartment on the inside. You have a zip pocket here. You've got 2 pockets. Okay, 2 pockets there. And then these pockets you have in the front. Okay. Now, whenever I go out, this is where my parking tickets go, or, just, we really don't carry change that much, but back in the day, I would carry, enough for change for meters or whatever. But yeah, this is my baby. She is a beautiful shoulder bag. It hits me in that perfect spot right here. And she's not heavy. She wears very, very well. And so, yes, this is my Hobo, the Chelsea Hobo by Coach. So you can get these now. They're still out there on the pre-loved market. You can find them on eBay. I did see that there were a couple on eBay that you could get that are around $70. The bag originally was around $300, about $320 is what I spent for her. But you can still get them, and they have this in the black. It's beautiful. They have it in a chocolate brown, but like I said, this color was really pleasing to me. So if you have an opportunity to get one of these, please add it to your collection. All right. Now, this is another baby you guys have not seen. She is by Coach. Now, I tucked her strap. When she is on the shelf over there, when I'm not using her, the strap is tucked. I bought her pre-loved. And to be honest with you guys, I'm a thrifter. And I went to a thrift store. They had this bag for $20. $20. I bought this one. And hold on, I'll be right back. Okay, I had to run and get the other bags that I got. Okay, I went to a thrift store and they just had these bags in a showcase and they were on sale. So, and it was like a red tag day or something. So I got this one for $20. I got this Dooney and Burke, and this is a pebbled leather bag. She was not in here. I had to run and get her out of my other closet. And she just has a strap, and you can wear her as crossbody or shoulder. I spent $15 for this one. This bag, y'all, has been through the wire with your girl. But guys, do not sleep on thrift stores. I'm telling you. This one, I wear this one a lot as well. And I'm looking in here. I'm going to show you guys about this bag. I said it was the 6 that I carry all the time, but hey, why not? This one, the side, you have side pockets, right? And this is a perfect amount of space where I put bottles of water. If I'm running out, I can put a bottle of water in here because it's a very soft leather. And oh, my earrings! I've been looking for those earrings. Okay, so it's got the zip pockets on the side. It's got a pocket in the back, and as any other Coach bag, you've got the zip across the back and the 2 pockets in the front. So I made out, guys, like a bandit. And the lady was, she was like, "Are you okay?" I said, "So you mean to tell me I can get these 3 bags here for these prices, right?" She was like, "Yeah." She said, "It's a red tag day. So yeah, we'll give you the discounts." And did I snatch them? Yes, I did. Yes, I did. But I wear those as well. But this is my baby. This is one of my babies. One thing I really like about this, once again, y'all, it's a pebbled leather. The strap, you can wear her crossbody. You can wear her on your shoulder. You have a very generous pocket in the back. And on the inside, you have a pocket across the back. And you have 2 pockets here. Okay, you don't have the 2 single pockets on the front. Now I did do some research on this bag for the video, and this bag is called the Glenwood Sheraton bag. You can find it online. It's priced at pre-love between $90 and $150. I really love the color combination with this because I have, in the wintertime, I have boots that are this color, so I can wear the boots with it. With blue jeans, this is stunning with blue. So I get a lot of wear out of this bag. And if I'm going on travel, I'll take her sometimes because of her being pebbled leather. I don't have to worry about scratching or anything like I have to worry about with some of my other bags that are not pebbled leather. So she goes with me quite often when I go. But I do love this bag. And like I said, if you have an opportunity, please add this one to your collection. It's very generous in size. It's amazing what can fit in this bag. You guys know what my standard fit test. I include my wallet, my sunglasses, my bows, my little notepad, my makeup pouch, my phone, my charger. All those things fit in this bag with room to spare. They have it pre-loved. I've seen it in a white with this beautiful color, the dark caramel, and I've seen it in blue and in black. Once again, the title of this bag is the Glenwood Sheraton bag, and they do have them on eBay, so you can look that one up. Now, my final bag. This is no surprise to you guys. Come here, boo-boo. Come here, mama. I have her dress for the occasion. You know, this is my empire. This is my baby. I love this bag. I go a lot of places with her. We were out in the YouTube streets earlier today. This bag is perfect. It carries everything. The one thing I love about her is because she is an east-west bag. I don't have to worry about her hitting me here. Not that there's a problem, but it fits comfortably in the curve of my body, and I can fit everything in it. And it's not heavy. It's not weighted down. So, yes. And I did dress her. So, I added a silver chain. I put a little silver heart on her and the cherries. I was going to do a gold, but I'm a silver girl and I was wearing silver today, so I decided to make her like mommy. So I dressed her like me. So those are the 6 bags that I have in my collection that are my favorites, really, that are under $500. If you have any questions about them, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. Hit me in the comments because I love talking to you all. I will include the affiliate link for the horse bag so you guys can take a look at that. If you're a first-time buyer on the horse, you do get a discount. So please take advantage of that. And share this video with your family and friends. Please click on like and subscribe because that helps us to grow the channel. And until next time, take care of yourself in peace. Bye-bye.